Ladies and gentlemen, today in this video I'm going to show you how to make the perfect cup of coffee to boost your day and give you a great week. So, the great start to every day is a coffee, and here's how to make the perfect one. 90% of you will be getting this wrong, but watching this guide will make your day start better and just give you a great week. Because if you start the week with a coffee, it'll be great. Trust me, Zips is never wrong. So, if you come over here to my supplements area, you can see you've got the cup here. Now you can have these cups available on zips.store, link in the description. Sugar and coffee by Dow Egberts. So what first thing you need to do obviously is to boil the kettle. It's important you have hot boiling water, right? So let that boil, it'll take about a couple of minutes, that's fine. While that's done, we can go into the preparation stage. Now, it's important you do this in this exact order. Coffee, sugar, milk, water. Remember that. Yep. Firstly, coffee. You don't want too much coffee because it'll be overpowering. Right, coffees are very strong, so I say no more than about that much. There. You pop that into the cup. Teaspoon. And there we go. About a teaspoon. Thank you to my camera lady. There's one ingredient I did forget to get. Milk. Right, so I'll put that there a second. Next, sugar. It depends on your sweetness. I personally prefer 1.5 sugars, so I'll put that in now. And then add the milk. Right, depending on how much milk you have is how much personally, I would strongly recommend you have no more than 1/4 of a cup. Like so. If you can show the cup please, camera lady. There, leave it like that and wait for the water to boil. Now, the kettle's about to boil. Before it goes, the important thing to remember is why you're putting milk first. Obviously, remember watching the tea video, you put milk last. With coffee, if you put the hot water in first, the coffee starts to cook and it becomes really gritty and horrible. Putting the milk or any other liquid water, but milk's better, stops that. That's why we put it in there first. We're just waiting for the kettle to boil, right here. Or when you boil, you know because the flick will come up. So we'll wait for that. There we are. So the flick's gone up, so you pour your water. I'd say leave it about 1/5 from the top. Not that much. As you see, because the milk's there, if you start stirring now, you've got that creamy texture, like so. And keep stirring till all them bits, the coffee bits, come out. I've been led to believe they're called granules.
Granules.
I've been led to believe they're called granules. And there we go. That's how you make the perfect cup of coffee. Now, the ending thing is taste test. Delicious. Right, that is how you make the perfect cup of coffee. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you to my mum for holding the camera. And yes, remember, start your days with a Zips coffee.